Someone views you as the Ten of Coins energy, no? But for some reason, with the Roman numeral number 10, no, na unang nag-drawn ng attention, no, sa akin, no? Yan, no? Yung Roman numeral number 10, no? It looks like meron ditong pag-e-end ng situation or may nagtatapos, may nag-e-end dito, no? So, I do not know if sino ito talaga sa buhay mo, pero this person here is looking at you or viewing you as the Ten of Coins energy. Ibig sabihin, you are someone here very important, very significant. No? Kumbaga sa buhay niya, no, parang ikaw yung pinakamakasaysayang nangyari sa buhay niya. No? Pero there's something here na maaaring nagsasara. Yun na nakikita ko rito. Yan. O, tingnan mo. At maaaring ito ay biglaan pa with the tower energy. No? Itong pagsasara na ito ay pwedeng hindi niya pa inaasahan. No? Pero sa nakikita ko rito is itong klase ng bagay na parang gusto niya ritong pigilan or meron tayong resistance na nakukuha. Let's see. Ano ba ito? Spirits and Angel Guides, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, maraming salamat for being present here in this reading. This is for my collective people. Can you please show me more about the situation here? Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, nang walang pagdadalawang isip or without hesitation, I'm seeing you doing this, making this decision right here, firm decision with the Queen of Swords energy. I do see that this is you. You're doing this because you're not confused. You're not hesitating to do this decision right here because you know that this is something here that you also want to do. I'm seeing confrontation right here sa iyong side. So maybe meron ka ritong kukumprontahin, no? So, bago natin pag-usapan pa more ang reading na ito, no, let me just lay all the energies first sa ating table before we start talking more about this. Yeah, right at the heart or center of this reading is the Five of Cups energy next to the Queen of Swords. Yeah, Three of Swords energy. Okay. Well, at the end of the day, always have your free will naman. So, I do understand. And in this channel, no, wala tayo ritong judgment. Your feelings are all valid. Okay? And at the end of the day, you're still nice with whoever this person is. Okay? Because natural na yun sa'yo. Yun yung pinapakita sa akin dito. You're someone here who is nice, who is thoughtful. So, yeah. So, before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome tuloy po kayo rito sa aming community. At sa mga returning or pabalik-balik ko rito mga viewers, thank you so much for your warm love and support ng binibigay sa akin. So, if you are also interested in watching my other channel, the link is down below sa ating description box. So, wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. Yeah, you can flip roles, you can switch roles, no? Because this is general reading right here, no? And at the end of the day, kagaya nga ng kakasabi ko lang, you always have your free will, no? At malaya kang gamitin yan. But here we have the Three of Wands energy right next to the Seven of Coins. So I do see that this is you. Yung decision na gagawin mo na hindi ka nag-hesitate, I'm seeing you making a tuldok sa paghihintay ng someone here. And it's something related to rejection. Four of Cups energy. So I do see that if this is you, you could be connecting here with this person. You might be dealing here with this person for quite some time now. And this person could be courting you. Pwedeng nililigawan ka niya. Wala tayong gender dito. Pwede rin nag-express siya sa'yo ng emotions and feelings niya. But at the end of the day, this is you. You are ending up rejecting this person pa rin, no? So, nakita ko dito that you will confront this person here and I do see that this is you. You're not confused when it comes to your feelings and emotions. Pag pagdating sa person na to, malinaw, like, klaro, no? Na ikaw ito na posibleng wala kang feelings para sa kanya, no? Yung nakikita ko rito, no? Pero strongly, nakikita ko rito na there's another reason and mamaya ako sasabihin sa inyo yan. But I do see that this is you appearing here as this Nine of Pentacles energy and the presence of the Queen of Coins. I do see that this is you. You are someone here who is stable, no? When it comes to your decisions, when it comes to making here a lot of movements in your life, ayaw mo yung may pagsisisihan ka sa dulo. Kaya naman lahat ng mga ginagawa mo ay sadyang pinag-iisipan mong mabuti. At pagdating dito sa kaso na ito or sa sitwasyon na ito, you're not hesitating, no? But at the same time, inuuna mo rin dito talaga yung kapakanan mo, no? Yung sarili mo iniisip mo dito, no? If you're gonna prolong or patatagalin mo pa itong sitwasyon na ito rito, no? You know that you are not just someone here na ayaw mong maging kontrabida or villain sa buhay ng person na to kung sino man to, no? Dahil ayaw mo rito patagalin ang kanya rito paghihintay no, at paghihirap, no? And this is you, even though you're gonna left this person here broken-hearted, no? That is the best thing to do para hindi na rin siya rito umasa nung umasa sa'yo, no? So, pwedeng siya 'to na hinihintay niya yung kasagutan mula sa'yo, baka matagal ka na rin niyang nililigawan or baka nililigawan or nagpaparating siya sa'yo na gusto ka niya or meron siya ditong emotions or feelings para sa'yo. And I do see you cutting this person here, no, sa kanyang mga ginagawa, no. You're making tuldok, tinutuldukan mo na rito yung paghihintay niya or pag-express niya rito ng emotions, no, related to love or affection para sa'yo with the Queen of Swords energy. This is you making a decision right here. And this decision will make this person here feel sad. So whatever the case may be, Five of Cups energy, this is the heart or center of the reading. Your person here, no, kung sino man tong kadil ninyo, nakikita ko dito na itong tao na to will be having a hard time na talagang pag narinig niyo itong confrontation na ito, no, parang masisira yung araw niya. It will be a bad day for this person here because, because here I do see that with the presence of Two of Cups energy, no, and there's this big heart, right? This Three of Swords energy. This person here developed feelings para sa'yo at yung iba lumalim na yung feelings niya para sa'yo, no? And upon hearing that you're rejecting this person here, this person really feels sad kasi parang yung person na gustong-gusto niya na maging kanya or mapasa kanya 'no, is yung tao rito na parang pumuputol ng pangarap niya or ng wish niya rito na makasama ka. Kasi parang lumalabas dito na pagka hindi ikaw yung nakasama niya 'no, kasi wish ka niya, eh, 'pag hindi natupad yung wish niya na makasama ka niya rito or ikaw yung makatuluyan niya rito 'no, parang hindi niya alam kung pag-wish pa siya pagtapos nito, 'no? Parang mawawalan na siya rito ng gana 'no, na mag-desire to wish 'no, or to maniwala sa mga wishes 'no, or sa mga parang dreams 'no, kung mangyayari man ito 'no. It's like you cut this person's wings. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, I told you guys, your feelings are all valid and you know what you're doing. You're appearing here as someone independent and I'm seeing that this is you. Hindi mo naman ito gustong mangyari, no, na mag-reject rito. Pero this is something here that you know na kailangan mong gawin. Because there's a reason behind this. Okay? Strongly, if this is your reading, I'm picking up that this sad day or this confrontation day, you're gonna tell this person here to stop liking you or, or stop here courting you. no? Tigilan ka ritong ligawan, tigilan ka rito na mag-express ng emotions and feelings no related to love or commitment or relationship. Why? Because ipagtatapat mo sa kanya rito, no, marami sa inyo na ipagtatapat mo sa kanya rito na meron kang minamahal ng iba. So, baka kayo ay may boyfriend-girlfriend na, no? Or meron kayo rito sinisekreto rito na love or ganun lang talaga kayo ka-private sa inyong love life, no? And this person here do not know that. And I do see you revealing that to this person. That's why this bad day for this person, no, will be the saddest day of his or her life. Yan, no? So, I do see that yung iba sa inyo, posibleng ito ay plinano mong gawin, no, for some reason, no, February pa ng 2024. But it's just that something came up. Pwedeng naging busy ka sa work, no? So, yung nakita ko rito, meron ka ritong ibang naasikaso na parang wala sa plano puwedeng related sa work or sa personal life mo. So, yung iba sa inyo puwedeng doesn't have to be exactly February, pero yung iba, yes. Pero nakita ko dito na posibleng matagal mo na rin 'tong plinano 'no, kaya lang posibleng may interfere na trabaho or ibang mga works, 'yan. Yung iba baka work-related, I mean workmate or colleague niyo itong tao na 'to or nakilala niyo siya dito sa inyong work, yung nakita ko. Pero kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, that will be the saddest day of his or her life. Hearing that yung taong gusto niya who is ikaw, yung taong mahal niya who is ikaw 'no, maririnig niya mula sa'yo na may iba kang nagugustuhan or may iba kang mahal 'no. Siyempre that is the, most heartbreaking part of the confrontation. Mas masakit yung marinig niya yun kaysa dun sa ni-reject mo siya, 'di ba? Yung marinig niya na nire-reject mo siya at pinapatigil mo siya dito sa kanyang pag-e-express ng love and feelings para sa'yo, na mas masakit na marinig niya rito na may iba ka palang nagugustuhan or may iba ka palang mahal, 'no? Kasi this person will eventually think na may nauna or he or she is not enough na 'no. Parang feeling niya or makikita niya sa sarili niya parang may kulang sa'kin 'no, parang magiging mababa yung tingin niya rito sa sarili niya, nakikita ko rito 'no. That's why a bad day is really coming for this person here. But kaya yun nade-describe sa atin 'no, bilang bad day kasi yun yung pinaka-bagay na kinatatakutan niya. That is what this person here is fearing with the lots of darkness 'no, around this person here, gloomy. Kasi this is something here na parang alam niya sa sarili niya na posibleng marinig niya yan sa'yo 'no, na posibleng dumating yang araw na yan 'no, pero yun nga hindi niya naman inaasahan na darating ito ng hindi niya talaga ini-expect. Yung parang binigla siya, okay. So, yun yung nakita ko dito, sweethearts, 'no. But, this is something here that is kung ako tatanungin ninyo 'no, hindi bilang isang medium or reader dito 'no, kung tatanungin ninyo ako bilang friend or bilang nanay niyo, well, I think this is something here that is okay for me. Kasi you cannot love two people, 'di ba? And here, wala ka naman talagang love for this person because you love someone else and you are faithful with that person. May relationship man kayo nung mahal mo na yun or wala pa, but you are faithful with your feelings and emotions just like the Queen of Coins energy. So that is you, the Queen of Coins. So, parang nilalaban mo lang rito yung pagmamahal mo dun sa taong talagang mahal mo with the Queen of Swords. You're making a decision right here, no, kung saan magbe-benefit din naman kayong lahat. Kasi ikaw, you're just choosing your happiness because you love someone, 'di ba? And you do not want, no, to be a burden with this person here who has feelings for you. Kaya pinuputol mo na dito yung paghihintay niya sa'yo, no, or pinuputol mo na dito, pinapatigil mo na siya sa kanyang mga ginagawa, no, ng mga pagpapakita ng kanyang love for you. Because you do not want to, uh, to hurt this person even more. So, I do see that this is you, that you will end up making this person here sad, or you will end up breaking this person's heart. But this is something here that is okay na sa'yo. Kasi naman, iprolong mo na magmukhang pinapaasa mo siya or what. Okay? Which is a very mature decision coming from you. So that's why, okay, hinahangaan ko kayo pagdating sa parte na yun. So nakikita ko dito that you are just also fighting your feelings and emotions, no? If you have here someone else na mahal mo, you're just fighting for that connection. Kasi yun naman yung gusto mo, yun yung masaya ka, dun ka talaga nakakaramdam ng love, dun mo talaga nararamdaman na talagang ito talaga yung gusto ko ditong gawin, ito talaga yung taong gusto ko makasama, yan. So, I do see na kung sino man yung mga energies na nakaka-resonate dito. You are not confused of what to do about the situation here. Although, you're a little bit sad because you will make someone here na parang you will hurt him or her, no? Dahil sa sasabihin mo. Pero okay na rin yun kasi naman parang paasahin mo pa siya. So, whoever this individual is, no, na kumukonect sa'yo with the Two of Wands energy, I do see that this person here will continue to think about his or her future. Kasi parang sinasabi niya rito sa akin na ikaw na yung last na parang chance niya to take the pathway going to love. Pero paano na ngayon? Because meron ka palang mahal na iba, no? Because meron ka pala ritong ibang nagugustuhan or meron ka pala ritong ibang tinitingnan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kaya na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, parang pagtapos nitong sitwasyon na to involving you guys, hindi niya na nakikita yung sarili niya na magde-desire pa siya ng kagaya ng ganito. Okay? So, ganun nakikita ko rito. Well, I do see you pa rin that with this Eight of Wands energy, Three of Cups, and there's this Knight of Swords, I do see you na dito sa pag-uusap na to, itong communication or itong heart-to-heart conversation na gagawin mo with this person, I do see you na i-offer mo pa rin yung friendship, pero hanggang dun lang. Pag may kailangan siya na tulong sa'yo, no, huwag siyang mag-hesitate na lumapit, no, you're just one call or one text away, one chat away, no? So, I think you're offering here friendship for this person if gusto lang naman niya. So, I think at the end of the day, you are choosing to be nice with this person here, no? Na parang, pag may kailangan ka, gumahiyang lumapit, no? Lalo na kung katrabaho mo siya or kasamahan mo rito sa work. Yan, no? Or friend, whatever, no? So, hanggang dun lang yung kaya mong i-offer, no? Yung friendship. So, dun sa parte na yun, hindi mo naman siya pinipilit na, kung gusto mo maging friends na lang tayo ha, hindi ganun yung tono mo, no? This is you na parang if you need a friend or if you need something, do not hesitate na tawagan ako or i-text ako. Okay? Tutulungan kita. Yan, no? I will give a helping hand, no? Parang ganun. I will lend you some help, mga ganyan, no? So, nakikita ko rito na parang ang ibig mong sabihin do'n, even though you are the last person na gusto niya ritong hingan ng tulong, you will still be available para sa kanya. Okay? So, hindi mo naman talaga as in pinuputol yung yung PC ng iyong pintuan, 'no, for this person. Nag-iwan ka ng siwang, okay, para, makapasok pa rin 'tong person na 'to, 'no, pero hindi sa iyong heart. Kasi pagdating sa usaping puso, malinaw tayo dun, eh. May tao kang minamahal na rito, may nagugustuhan kang iba. This person, puwedeng may pinagsamahan kayo, 'no, or you find this person here na mabait naman siya at mabuti ritong individual, 'no, na parang puwede pa rin kayong maging friends someday. So, hanggang dun lang yung kaya mong i-offer sa kanya. Yan. So, yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, no, your feelings are all valid, no, wala naman tayo ditong judgment. Kaya naman kung ito yung decision na gagawin mo, I'm still proud of you because you're choosing your happiness here. And ganun talaga. You will definitely hurt someone here and this might be the bad day. Pero this is something here that you also saved this person here from that mas mas nakakalungkot, no, na parte. 'Di ba? Na hindi mo kayang ibigay yung love sa kanya, no, tapos nagsi-stay siya, 'di ba? So, yun nga yun mga babes, so ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha ko here for you guys. If you wanna check out the other channel, the link is down below. Thank you so much. Muli ako po siya ng inyong media. Thank you so much. Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. Annyeong!